in M2. I'm going to crank the gain up all the way to 30. M2. What the detector is doing right now is normal. This is what it's supposed to be doing. The detector is not broken. This is what it's supposed to do. If it doesn't do this, if your detector was here right now with mine and it didn't do this, then I would question your detector on whether or not it's working, right? So, how do I fix the problem? There's multiple ways you can fix it, but I'm gonna fix it by going to signal frequency. And I like 20 kilohertz. There's a little bit of EMI, you might not be able to hear it now, but most of it's gone. And I'm on gain 30. I dropped this down to a couple places. That's more than tolerable now. I can detect, right? So it's a common thing that newcomers to the hobby don't understand. They don't understand EMI and why EMI affects your detector, and they're worried about the detector being broke. And it's not broke.